There are moments when this world feels really loud, heavy, and uncertain. And no matter how much right, you still find yourself asking, what is actually right for me, right? With all of the clutter that's around you, what you should do is not what everyone else is doing, but what your soul already knows is right for you. And this is why I created the Oracle of the Lake deck, just for moments like this. This is not just a deck of cards. This is a way to return to your own inner knowing again, again, again. A way to access that quiet voice beneath all of the noise, the one that always has been guiding you. It's always there. Because the real truth is, you are your own oracle. And this deck simply helps you hear it more clearly. This deck was inspired by the smile of the Great Spirit, Lake Winnipesaukee. It's a place where nature doesn't just surround you, it speaks to you, where the water reflects the truth and the air, it clears your mind magically, and the earth grounds and steadies you, and you can feel the fire within you begin to rise from that space. These cards were born not as answers, but as activators of your own awareness. For each card, and there are many, is rooted in something ancient and simple and profoundly powerful, the four elements. This is a theory that navigates who you are in a human form. Air represents your mind, water, your emotions, earth, it's your physical reality, and fire is your spirit. And these aren't just concepts. These are energies you are living inside of every single day. You can't get away. And when they are out of balance, you feel it. You can feel confused, overwhelmed, and stuck. But when they come back into harmony, it's amazing. Clarity returns, energy shifts, and momentum happens naturally and easily, organically. Most people are trying to fix their life from the outside in. More strategy, more effort, more pushing. But this work is about becoming your own sacred observer, being able to see the landscape of your life and leaning into things like, what energy am I in right now? What part of me is speaking? And what is actually asking to shift, to become more balanced, to become in harmony and in peace? Because when you feel that, you can see clearly, you can choose differently, and everything begins to change. So, over the coming weeks, I'm going to walk you through this deck, one vibrant card at a time. Each video is going to be short, but very intentional. It'll be a moment for you to pause, reflect, and reconnect. And at the end of each video, sink in, because you'll receive a message, not from me and not from the lake. They are guides, but from your own inner knowing. And if you feel something stirring already, if you're craving more clarity, more alignment, and more trust in yourself, I've created something special for you as this deck gets released. It will be inclusive of a deck, a summer solstice experience in June to bridge the spring where you are beginning to bloom and allow you to step in and activate the energy during the summer. It's a deeper chance and opportunity to work these energies alongside, so many things, journaling, moon cycles, and numerology, to align in a way that actually gets you out of stuckness and allows things to stick, your energy to stay in alignment. Because this isn't just pulling a card, it's about learning to live in alignment with your own energy in every single day. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can follow along as each of these cards are vibrantly released, as well as In the descriptions, you can see a link to more insights and information for you to follow as we get closer to the summer solstice. So now take a breath, slow down, and begin to listen, because that inner oracle has always been speaking to you.